Okay, the most important 8 marks question in sixth lesson, current electricity. State the working principle of potentiometer. Explain with the help of circuit diagram how the potentiometer is used to determine the internal resistance of a given primary cell. So we can write the working principle of potentiometer. When a current is passed through a wire of uniform cross section, the potential difference between any 2 points on the wire is proportional to the length. So we can write epsilon proportional to L. Therefore epsilon is equal to pi L, where pi is the potential drop per unit length. So in this one, simply we can write the potential difference between any 2 points on the wire is proportional to the length of the potentiometer wire. So epsilon proportional to L. So our aim is to know the internal resistance of a given primary cell. So when we can observe this circuit diagram, so where K1 and K2 are the keys, first key and second key, R is the variable resistance, B is the battery, and whose internal resistance is determined, we can take the primary cell. Electromotive force of the primary cell is epsilon, G is the galvanometer, R is the resistance box, and N1 and N2 are the null points. From A to C it is called potentiometer wire, length of the potentiometer wire. So whose internal resistance means it will be represented by small r is determined, is connected across a resistance box through a key K2. When the K2 key is open, the balancing length is L1 from A to N1. So we can write epsilon proportional to L. So we can write directly epsilon is equal to pi L1, equation number 1. And next one, when the K2 key is closed, the balancing length we can occurred at L2. It is also called from A to N2. V is equal to pi L2. So this is the equation number 2. Equation number 1 is divides with equation number 2. So we can write epsilon by V is equal to pi L1 by pi L2. Pi will be cancelled. So epsilon by V is equal to L1 by L2. But epsilon is equal to I into R plus R. V is equal to IR, where R is the small r is the internal resistance, capital R is the external resistance, high resistance. So we can substitute instead of epsilon and V, we can write I into R plus R by IR is equal to L1 by L2. So I will be cancelled, R plus R by R is equal to L1 by L2. So R by R plus 1 is equal to L1 by L2. R by R is equal to L1 by L2 minus 1. Therefore small r is equal to R into L1 by L2 minus 1. So the above equation is used to measure the internal resistance of a given cell. So what are the uses of the potentiometer? So to compare the electromotive force of two primary cells, and second one to know the determine the internal resistance of a given primary cell. So these are the main important uses of the potentiometer. So